Well, good morning. It's Wednesday. I believe it is April 16th of 2025. I have the bike sitting there. The engine's all dressed out. The gas tank is on. The gas lines are on. The carburetors are tickled, and I am thrilled. We're going to try a first start now and see what happens. Live online, you get to see it here. Yes, I do put this here when I do a first start. No leakage. Good snap. Let's put a fuse in. 10 amps, no more than 10 amps. Don't believe what you read about 35 amp fuses. 10 amp fuses, only a 35 amp Lucas fuse is actually a 17 amp American fuse. Don't be fooled. You don't want to put a 35 amp fuse in here. I use 10 amp fuses. They work just fine. And there's a fly in here bothering the heck out of me. So let's see what happens. That seems to be the brake light. There you go. Good snap. Good snap. Here we go. Wow. Okay, I'll adjust the brake light just a little bit. I'll put the side panels on and the seat. Kevin will come down here. He's going to come down here about 11:30 to do a test ride. I think it's ready for a test ride. Once we've done the test ride, then I'll put the air cleaner back on it. That doggone stock air cleaner. And gosh, I think we can let it go. It sounds really good. Okay, good morning.